Wadonjo weche mag tuke nyakwara Ramogi gonde ariyo kowuok kuom jatugo Benson Omalo miyo Gor Mahia point achiel lekini kod klab mar Posta Rangers e alap manyayo e tuke mag lig maduong' ma pacho ka.
Benson Omalo noketo kogalo mbele dakika mar 6 kapok omedo gol mar ariyo e dakika mar 26 manotero tugo yweyo ka Gor Mahia ni mbele gonde 2-0.
Kata kamano kogalo nowito thuolo mar medo points e chung mar klipe ma bang' weyo thuolo ne Posta Rangers loyo gonde 2 dakika 45 mogik ka point achiel keto kogalo e thuolo mokwongo point achiel mbele klab mar Tusker mosetugo tugo achiel matin kata tugo matin moyo Gor.
Posta fully deserved, to get a point today. Like, I think if anything, it's a bit of a gutting way to lose it. An own goal at the end, coming off the post and going back in off Gad's back. You can't blame him for that. He's full extension. I think he might have even got a little touch to make the initial save off the goal post, to put it onto the post. So he's done great initially and just incredibly, for him personally, incredibly unlucky. But I thought overall we were well below our level,
One, I would like to say this is Gor Mahia, and when I see Gor Mahia, I think it gives me a very big appetite because it's a big team. We respect them, but that respect in the field of play, I think it's not something that we do care so much about it, because the most important thing, like in today's game,
Elap Mabohungu Stadium County Makakamega